Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add your payment method on the ASOS app. Now there's two ways how to go about doing this. When you're purchasing a product or item, let's say I'm going to click on something random here, and let's say I want to purchase this, and I go ahead and I just basically select it, add to my cart. Let's say I choose my size. Let's say I just choose something here. I add that to the cart, and then once I add this to the cart, I can go ahead and basically click on the cart, and you can proceed with checkout. And from here within the checkout, you can add your address. You have your shipping address, you can click there, you can change that, you can fill it, all the details there. And once you're about to purchase, you will also have the option to add your card details, right? You can only add your card details once you add in your address, right? So it's a normal process for on any app. You fill in the details where you want to ship to, and of course at the end you'll put in your card details and you will pay, right? And that allows you to use either Google Pay, or you can add your credit card. Now another way how to actually add your card details is while you're in the app. If you're at home, you can easily go ahead and click the three lines on the upper left and click on my account. Under my account, you scroll down, you'll have payment methods. If you tap on that, it will trigger you to add your address. As you can see, it says you currently have no saved address. Without one, you won't be able to add a new payment method. So you want to go ahead and click on that and fill in the details here, which is your country, your address, and then once you fill in all that, you can add a new payment method, and that's going to be pretty straightforward for you. So let's say I want to switch the country, and I'm going to choose, for example, Czech, and I'm going to just fill in something that I know. So I'm going to just say, for example, Prague. I'm going to just type in Prague. Here you don't have to fill in, you can fill in a postal code. So I'm going to just fill in something right here, and let's say that's all that I need to do, right? You need to fill in, I'm going to put in a town as well. Here I'm going to just say Prague as well. You need to enter a mobile number, so I'm going to enter a mobile number, for example, and I'm going to hit save. Now you see that I've updated my address. So when I click on add payment method, now it's going to allow me to add either a credit card or a debit card. So here you can see that it's now allowing me to add either a credit or debit card or even PayPal. So you just need to choose whatever you want and fill in those details here, as you can see, and you can add that payment method of your choice. And that's pretty much it, guys. That's very easy and very simple.